Okay, it's kind of a food o'clock on real ale craft beer. Today we have a Silvercrest double induction hob to unbox and show you. Two reasons why I'm making this video. Some people might be thinking, why is he doing that? Right, first reason, we're going to start doing a little bit more cooking on the channel. I've got solar panels on the roof. It'd be nice to have a little bit of free energy using electric instead of the old gas hob here. So I seen this literally half an hour ago in Lidl. Picked it up in Lidl. It's Silvercrest kitchen tools, appliances. The second reason, it's so small and mobile, I can chuck it in the bar in the summer and we can do some bar cooking while having a few beers, and I just thought it'd be a little bit of fun. A bit like the Salter air fryer video we did back last year. Again, purchased in Lidl's. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this. We always unbox here in the kitchen. Oh, it slides out. Right, hang on then. Polystyrene. Here we go. Here we go. Always been a ripper and a tearer. A ripper and a tearer of an unboxer. There it is. Double induction oven. Looks like you've got your heat up there. Timer. Whatever that is. Power on the right hand side, look. And it's 1000 watts. So we got the instructions. I bought some nice pans years ago. So it's really important when you buy yourself an induction oven. I bought these years ago. These are from Costco. Kirkland Signature. I got the whole set. And I've always wanted an induction cooker. And I actually went to is it Curry's these days? Went to a curry shop and I wanted an induction top, but they didn't sell any, and I was like, why don't you sell induction top? They said we just don't do them. So in the back of my mind then I thought to myself, every now and again I always see these machines in Lidl, so I'll just wait for Lidl to have them back in. They normally do the single ones, so a double for me is perfect. Double is perfect. So I'm going to read the instructions, and then well, we'll be able to show you then how to use it and how to kind of warm your food up. Use your frying pans, and oh, it's going to be great. I can't wait for the summer. Getting out there, making some bacon sandwiches in the garden with your induction frying pan. It's going to be marvellous. So without further ado, let's get in and read the instructions, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we have our double induction hob set up from Lidl, the Silvercrest. We've got a pan on there, so we're going to turn the machine on. There we go. So first of all, on the left hand side here we have a timer. This middle button here is a boost button, so you can boost it for 60 seconds if you want to get something, you know, get your beans boiling up rather quickly or whatever. This one's a pretty cool setting. This is your milk. You can keep milk warm by pushing this button. What I noticed straight away though is touching this, it's a proper fingerprint lover. It's a lover of fingerprint. You can see how kind of already it's getting, especially with my mucky fingers. Then you've got low temperature, high temperature, so you can raise the temperature with the plus and the minus there. There's your power, and there's your Celsius. Then this one here is, at first, I've had a go with this already. At first, I thought you press this, because it looks like something you press to get it cooking, but no, that's actually to, again, keep things warm. So if you had a stew or something, you wanted to slow cook a stew, you could push that button there and that would slow cook it. And then of course this then turns it on. So I'm going to use, I've got some De Ruyter mini chocolate that I've had for ages. And I want to see what this, I reckon it's a really good example to see how quickly. Ooh, what's happening? Right. Power L5. There we go! So we got up to L10, we got it up to full power. You can just hear it fizzing a bit as well. And they said not to worry. They said not to worry about that little fizzing noise. It's absolutely normal. So we've been going about 30 seconds. And already you can start to see the chocolate sweating a little bit. Always, you know, I'm always one of these, oh, give it a tap, make sure I don't get an electric shock. I don't understand how this technology works, to be honest. Whoa. Whoa, it's burning the bottom of the pan. Whoa, look at that. So maybe I need to turn that down a bit. And then if you click that, it gives you, there's your Celsius on burning stuff, yeah. There's me thinking that would have been a good idea to show you how to melt this chocolate up. It looks like I've smashed a pan in. Not the greatest of demonstrations, but never mind, we can whack it up to 200 Celsius. I thought this would have been great. I thought it would have melted, but all it's done is like turn to powder. Well anyway, that gave a demonstration. A quick demonstration of how hot this thing can go. Let's turn it up, see how it goes up to 240, look. There we go. So that was a quick look at the Silvercrest double induction hob. It does exactly what it says on the tin. You could see on full power, within seconds it was like it got that pan boiling hot. I was almost expecting it just to turn into a chocolate liquidy mess, but it didn't. It did something completely different. But again, for what it's worth, you can put up to 10 kilograms on here. There's about 10 bags of sugar. So I'm going to try and cook a stew on here tonight. But it's ideal for my bar. This is absolutely ideal. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to do some cooking out there in the bar with some beers. And job done. But yeah, if you want a relatively cheap induction hob that burns your chocolate to the bottom of the pan, then get this one from Lidl, the Silvercrest. It was £59. £59, job done. Thanks for watching. Put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.